Augustine of Hippo de Magistro, Episode 4. Adeodatus, non prorsus nam rarum ad modum est, ut ego contem com memorandi me gratia, sed tantumo do delectandi. Augustinus, video quid sentias, sed nonne attendis id quod te delectat in cantu, modulationem quam dam esse soni, quae quoniam verbis et adi et detrahi potest, aliet est loqui, aliet est cantare, nam et tibiis et cithara cantatur, et aves cantant, et nos interdum sine verbis musicum aliquid sonamus, qui sonus cantus dici potest, locutio non potest, an quidquam est quod contradicas. Adeodatus nihil sane. In the previous portion, Augustine asked his son Adeodatus whether even singing was a kind of instruction. Adeodatus now replies and says, not actually, non prorsus, for rarely, rarum est, or it is seldom, indeed, it is really quite seldom, rarum ad modum est, that ego contem, that I sing, gratia cum memorandi me. Gratia is an ablative, a feminine singular ablative like so, and it is being used here with a preceding genitive, namely the gerund cum memorandi. Cum memorandi is a gerund, a verbal noun, and it takes me in the masculine singular and accusative as its object. So it is quite rare that I sing for the sake of reminding myself or instructing myself in something, but instead I sing, contem, only, tantumodo, for the sake of pleasing myself, delectandi me gratia, for the sake of delighting myself. Delectandi is also a gerund. Augustine replies and says, video quid sentias, I see what you mean. Sentias is subjunctive in the indirect question. Quid sentias is the object of video. I see what you mean. Sed nonne attendis, but do you not notice? Nonne introduces a question, thus the question mark here. Do you not notice that id quod te delectat, that which delights you or pleases you in singing is esse a modulationem quamdam, a certain kind of melody of sound. Soni is masculine singular and genitive, modulationem and quamdam, feminine singular accusative, as the subject of esse in this indirect statement. Because quoniam, this, meaning the melody, because this can be added to, et adi, and taken away from words, because melody can be added to words and subtracted from words. Speaking is one activity, aliet est loqui. Singing is a second activity. Don't you notice that? Nonne attendis, excuse me. He continues, nam et tibiis, for both with flutes and with a lyre, cithara, or a guitar, singing takes place. And birds sing, aves cantant, and we sometimes, without words, sine verbis, we sonamus make some musical sound, musicum aliquid, we sound something musical. Qui sonus, which sound can be called singing, cantus, it is not speech, locutio non potest, or it cannot be called speech. Or, on, is there something which you would disagree with? Quod contradicas. Is there anything that you would object to in what I have just said? Adeodatus then replies, nihil sane. There is nothing at all. I completely agree.